Dropshipping hair straightening brushes, double side V-shape comb clamp, Naural Boar bristle wooden handle comb styling U1171. Dropshipping hair straightening brushes, double side V-shape comb clamp, Naural Boar bristle wooden handle comb styling U1171. Features: unique V-type design can easily straighten the hair, especially for shampoo after use. The effect is significant. Anti-static and high temperature, durable. Specifications: 100% brand new and high quality. Item type: comb. Material: wood. Size: 22.4 cm * 4 cm. Wood color: 24 cm * 4 cm, black color.